Zoe,
What?
I didn't even hit record.
Oh! Okay. So, I'm not doing that over.
I accidentally didn't hit record.
So the materials / ingredients that you're going to need is some bread. I have the Sara Lee bread. It's really quick and tasty. Cheese, turkey meat.
Zosha, let her ride with you.
I chose Dijon mustard from Trader Joe's.
Let her ride with you,
And
please,
some
Zosha.
mayonnaise. You can also use Miracle Whip if you have it. And those of you for all the Chiptown folks, you can also grab that.
Zosha, let her ride with you.
I'm making my YouTube video.
Daddy's in the middle of a video, and that's
So
going to
the
be in
first
his
thing you
background.
want to do is you want to grab your butter knife, and you want to put your mayonnaise or Miracle Whip on first.
But you're making all that noise in Daddy's video. Look, Daddy's making a video, and you're making all that noise.
You wanna
Okay,
make
but then
sure
you just have to wait till he lets you
spread
on.
the mayonnaise on
Don't
the
do
bread
that, Zosha.
evenly.
Zosha, you're not coming with me.
I like to put mayonnaise on the edge of my bread just so I can get the whole feel of the mayonnaise hitting my lips. So then after you get the first bread, you want to make sure you put the same amount of layer of mayonnaise on your second piece. Just like that. Be careful, don't make a mess, or your mother or your wife or your husband or whatever will be mad. We're kind of running out of mayonnaise here, so we might need to re-up on that. So once you get your mayonnaise on, what I like to do is I like to put my cheese on first. So you go ahead and put your cheese on. I have Yellow American. Some of you guys might have Swiss, but I like Yellow American at this time of the day. So you put your Yellow American cheese and you put it on there nice and evenly, so it's flat, no bubbles. So the next thing you want to do is grab your meat. In my case, I have turkey, smoked turkey. And make sure you check the date on here because some families hold to their meat a little longer than they should. So when you put the meat on there, in my case, we have one slice of meat left. So I want to make this piece of meat worthwhile. So what you want to do is you want to like layer it in a way to where it's meaty when you bite into the sandwich. And then you want to angle it so the meat in the layers spread out evenly so you can get a nice bite. It's almost like you're eating 4 pieces of meat, but it's really one. So then after that, you simply grab your Dijon. I don't like a lot of Dijon mustard on my sandwich. Some people do. I like to get as much as the mayonnaise off and put it back in a jar. And then I'll grab my napkin that I have my sandwich on. And then I'll just kind of, just get all that mayonnaise off so we won't have it in the thing, in the jar here. And then you want to just kind of you just want to just stick that, the butter knife in there with a nice layer. Not too much. Grab the piece without the meat and cheese on it and just spread it evenly throughout the sandwich so you get that, that taste. But you don't want it. You want to spread it out as much as you want to get that taste in there, And then after you get done, you simply put that bad boy on top of your sandwich. Give it a nice press, and then take a bite. Wow, that is a good sandwich. Well, guys, thank you for coming to my channel and enjoying a sandwich with me. And please comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.